Hey guys, so for today's look I'm going to be doing a simple Valentine's Day look. I've already uploaded a more glamorous glittery one, so if you guys want to see that one I'll leave it linked down below in the description box. I'm prepping her skin for foundation and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Nude Ivory, which is her shade. I'm going to go ahead and put that all over her face, and with a damp beauty blender I'm going to spread that out and make it all even. Now for her concealer, she uses the NYX HD one, and I'm going to apply that under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, and a little bit on her forehead. Going in with the same damp sponge, I'm going to blend everything out and make it look seamlessly. Now to set the areas that I just put concealer on, I'm going to go in with the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm going to put it on the same exact spots. She does use a different powder to set her face, and she uses the Wet n Wild face powder in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to go ahead and set her entire face with that, just so that she doesn't get oily throughout the day. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Medium Deep Bronzer, and I'm going to use my brush to sculpt out her cheekbones to bring them out a little bit and to add some color back to her face, because she is a lot lighter than I am and I did not want her looking pale. This is one of the blushes that she uses a lot, and it's in the shade Pampered by Tarte. So I'm going to go ahead and set her face with that blush, and I feel like it just made the perfect rosy cheeks on her. Going in with some highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and I'm going to put that on all the high points of her face, which are her cheekbones, the tip of her nose, and her cupid's bow. I'm going to go ahead and set all those powders that I just applied onto her face using the Morphe setting spray or the mist, and then using the damp sponge that I was using earlier, I'm going to go ahead and tap her face. I'm not going to rub it, just to set all those powders down and so that she won't have that like ashy look to her face. That really helps a lot. Now I'm going to go ahead and do her brows with her eyebrow pomade. I'm not sure which one she uses. I just know that it's a pomade. So now for the star of the show, I'm going to go in with her eyes. Or not her eyes, but I'm going to do her eyes now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And the first shade that I'm going to go in with is Burnt Orange, and I'm going to use that as her transition shade. So I'm just going to be sweeping that color back and forth, and her eyes are just going to look gorgeous at the end of this video. Just wait and see. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Buon Fresco. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but that's the color that I'm going to use. And I'm going to go slightly below Burnt Orange, and I'm also going to drag that a little bit into her outer V. Next shade that I'm going to go in with is Antique Bronze. And again, I'm going to just smother it in her crease, but I'm going to focus that shade more in her outer corner. And then for her lid, I'm going to go in with Vermeer, and I'm kind of going to like cut her lid with this shade, but not really. And then I'm going to grab the other two shades that I use, Burnt Orange and Buon Fresco or whatever it's called, and I'm just going to blend that out and make it a little bit more like blended, because it's not really, you guys can see harsh lines here and there, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up. I wanted to keep everything light, so I'm not going to go in with a harsh eyeliner or anything. I'm going to go in with a flat brush with using Cypress Umber. I can't even talk anymore. It's super late at night and I'm doing this voiceover, so just bear with me. But I'm going to go in with this brown shade and I'm going to use that to kind of create a little eyeliner, but I just don't want it to be like super like bam in your face. She's got black eyeliner on. I wanted something a little bit softer. So she's prepping her eyelashes for falsies, which is what I'm applying right now. And I kind of messed up. And using the 3 shades that I used on her eyelid, I'm going to go ahead and put them on her lower lash line. And then I'm also going to like kind of tight line her waterline with the same brown shade that I used on the top of her eyelid. I'm just all over the place. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. But if you don't understand, at least you can see what I'm doing. And that pretty much does it for this video, you guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you guys do recreate this look, be sure to send them to me. And if you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up. And we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.